It's denoted by the blue pen. So there's this muscle right here, and that's not something that we're going to know for our class. But if you cut that open and kind of pull it back, and you start to get down here where you can expose the ribs, there's muscles in between the ribs that are called intercostals. Remember, inter means in between, right? Outside of in between. And then costal refers to rib. So intercostal means it's the muscle in between the rib. There's actually internal intercostals also, but the one on the outside is the external intercostal. So there's trying to find one where we can tap it and hear it. Well, anyway, I guess we can't hear it. But see, there's a rib right there. There's a rib right there. There's a rib right there. Rib right there. So these muscles in between are the external intercostals. Okay, so get down here into the leg, and this isn't the best leg, but we're not going to see like we do in the book. So you look on both sides, it's going to be like mirror images of each other, right? Aside from maybe some, I don't know, maybe the cat had something messed up over here or whatever. But so this muscle on top right here is called the sartorius. Same thing over here, the sartorius. On this side, we've cut them away so that way you can lift up and see what's underneath, but on this side it's attached. So we have the sartorius, and then this muscle right here is the gracilis. So if we flip up the sartorius, there's some stuff underneath here. So not this right here, but this is the quadriceps femoris. If you look in the book, there's going to be multiple names for different parts. We're going to call it quadriceps femoris. So sartorius, lift it up, quadriceps femoris.
Can you turn the cat this way a little bit?
Yeah.
Which one is that?
So the sartorius is on top. It's this muscle right here. So and over here we cut it so we could lift it up and see what's underneath. So the sartorius, cut it, lift it up, and then this is the quadriceps femoris. All right. So down here is the gracilis. Same thing on this side. Cut the gracilis, lift it up, and there's a couple different things to see under here. So this has been all teased out right here. So this muscle right here is the adductor femoris. And then this one underneath here is the semimembranosus. And then underneath that, which we can see better around the back, but we can still see it right here, is the semitendinosus. So we'll see that again on the back side. So we have the gracilis. We cut it. We lift it up. The adductor femoris, the semimembranosus, and the semitendinosus is kind of sneaking in from the back. And then move down into the lower part of the leg here. This sort of looks like a chicken leg, right? Making us all hungry. So this is the gastrocnemius, And then there's some other stuff in here that we're not worrying about. But here on the front, this muscle on the front right here where this what's the bigger bone that ought to be right here?
Tibia.
The tibia. The tibialis anterior. What does anterior mean? In front of, right? So tibialis anterior. So that's on the anterior side of the leg. On the posterior side of this lower part of the leg, we have the gastrocnemius. Same thing on us. Okay, let's flip this kitty over here. Look at the back side. So on the back side, so that's still the sartorius right there, right? But we can't really see that on the back. That's